airs sa Prime. So dito may explain lahat kung saan ang galing yung mga eksena. Plus mga big scenes na, well, syempre, mga ibang eksena na hindi pa na sobrang tight kasi ng edited material ng Prime. So dito, for almost ilang weeks na shoot, makikita dito at na-explain lahat.
Saka nasabi ni Pao, may mga na-shoot daw kayo na hindi napalabas.
Hindi pa napalabas. Yes,
Oo,
yes.
so dito mapapanood.
Tsaka yung explanation kung bakit nagawa yun.
Alright. From Kate Nuesca of Pulp Magazine for Paulo. In this show, Paulo's character lives in a world where no one can be trusted. How did you prepare for that feeling of being a hunter, looking for the truth, while also being hunted, someone who is in danger? Yeah.
I think one thing during the time we were shooting The Alibi, a lot of things were happening in the Philippines as well. And parang we were hungry for the truth, diba? Parang we were out for blood. We were out for answers, parang ganun. So I think parang that was one of my inspirations, and aside from that, it's just parang innate curiosity. Parang you're when you're curious about when you're well, I'm a very curious person. Kapag may hindi ako alam, i-research ko lahat dahil gusto ko kompletong detalye. Or kung nagbabasa ka ng libro, may madaanan kang isang salitang hindi mo alam, hindi ko pwedeng ituloy dahil hindi ko alam yung ibig sabihin ng salitang yan. And it's the same thing, I think, that I applied in this role. When you're constantly searching for answers, not just about yourself, but for everything around you. Parang hindi ka mapakali dahil hindi mo alam yung katotohanan. I think it's the same thing with other journalists.
No, ang ganda na sinabi mo kasi kanina, kinakwento ni Kim how yung role niya mirrors the Daily Filipino, the lives of some of our Daily Filipinos. Ikaw din ganun. I mean, you mirror what should be the attitude of a Filipino to search for truth. Di ba? Agree? Okay. For Kim this time. Kim is known for being the chinita princess of rom-coms that are usually very honest and pure, while her character in The Alibi seems to navigate a lot of moral gray areas. How did you prepare for the psychological weight of playing this kind of character? Grabe naman naman kayo.
Oo nga eh.
Gusto naman pang ano naman kayo.
Hello everybody, I'm Kimberly Chu from Cebu City. Yun yung kagandahan ng pagiging isang actor. Kasi naiikutan namin yung iba't ibang mundo ng lahat ng tao. So, masaya din na mag-tackle ng mga ganong roles. Kasi, ayun nga, for growth, for hindi ka lang naka-remain sa comfort zone.
Pero pag binigyan ka ba ng kunwari yung kay Stella, parang do you like look for pegs? Sino maganda dito?
O nanonood talaga ako ng mga films or yung mga tao, oo.
May immersion ba sila direct minsan?
Minsan
Merong, pag alam naman yung character, siya na yung search for that certain character.
Pero may time ba na parang let's look for a case study, parang magkwento lang, gusto ko lang marinig yung kwento, parang may ganun ba kayo?
Meron naman kami.
Alright. Okay, this is our last question. This is just part 1 of our Q&A. So, from Trisha Matias of Metro.style, for Sophia, what's your favorite memory to look back on from filming? Actually, gawin na natin sa lahat. What's your favorite memory while filming? In Cebu? Tama? Is it 100% in Cebu? Hindi naman. Majority lang.
80%.
Okay. So, what's your favorite memory? Isa natin. Kining, yung inapakan ka sa mukha?
Yes,
Okay.
yun siguro. And the rest of the, maybe on the choreography side as well, working with Ate Kate personally with her. And I've known her for a long time now, for a year maybe in Showtime, but now mas naging close siguro kami. And also seeing everyone here who are actresses and actors, kasi first time ko talaga, so hello, parang ganun ako, ano bang gagawin dito? So for the lang ako, observe, tapos I try to mirror what they do, or like I learn from them, and I ask questions as well, but mostly it's working with them closely, so yeah. Wow, English.
Yeah, bring that with
So,
you, diba,
yeah.
for your next project.
Yes, sana
Yeah.
nga, yes. Oh.
PJ, ikaw naman. Favorite memory?
Ano ba? Marami the bonding itself. Kasi parang minsan nga pag-isip ko, excited na ako, magka-taping na kami. Chikahan lang kami ni Kim.
Nagtatrabaho ba kayong dalawa? O...
Actually, parang hindi. More on
Oo.
chika.
Or chika lang?
Marami na kami na chismis, na shopping. Shop. Ayan.
Ikaw lang sa
Ayan ko lang pala
Shopee.
yung shopping. Yun ang kinakasaya ko pag day off eh. SNR ako.
Nag-plug ka pa, PJ, ah. Okay.
Mag-grocery ako.
Nice.
Pero masaya naman kasi doon din ako nag-birthday. Sinurprise nila ako. Akala ko kasi mapagalitan ako. Sabi, parang okay naman yung eksena. Ano akong ginawa? Parang tinatalakan ako ng direct Jojo. Umuwi ka,
Is a prank.
bakit?
Is a prank pala.
Hindi pala may
Happy
tips.
birthday.
Happy birthday, PJ. That's a good memory.
Yes.
Diba? Angelina, ikaw, aside from sa first taping day mo na
Well, as my first series, I think yung entire experience has been very memorable. Maybe yung my favorite taping day or taping days, my favorite moments would be when we filmed sa Temple of Leia. I feel like I really love that location and the scene and the part of the story as well. Just filming everything there.
Yeah. Thanks, Angelina. Robbie, favorite memory?
Siguro dalawa yung favorite memories ko, or two memories, or experiences na I know I will never forget. Yung isa siguro, I'm sure naalala nito lahat kung andun kayo nung Rocky na yun, pero lumindol habang nagtitaping kami. Yeah, so it was a little scary, but it was cool that we were all together, yes, and thankfully lahat kami we were safe.
Right.
No one in the cast or sa broad team. Wala naman sa akin sa kanya. And then, I guess the second thing would be, as binanggit nga ni Angelina, it's our first experience.
Core memory to eh,
But,
di ba?
I guess what I will never forget and take home is how there's a true and major passion for storytelling. That not just Dreamscapes or Star Magic had, but each and every member of prod, the cameramen, APs, assistant directors, to the cast. I think that that congregation of people coming together for one goal, I saw a lot of beauty in it. I'll never forget that for sure.
That's a good memory, di ba? Tao, ikaw naman, your favorite memory filming The Alibi?
Connected this is namin ni Rob kasi yeah, it was a very unfortunate event in Lumindol but nagkaroon kasi kami ng tamang meeting after that. So, nung nagsama-sama kami sa isang lugar, we were able to catch up kasi parang bihira kami nagkakasama lahat.
Totoo?
Yeah, kasi may Unit 1, Unit 2.
Okay, yes.
So, usually kasama ko si Pao kasi nandun kami sa corporate, nandun kami sa mundo ni Pao and iba yung mundo ni Kim. So, nung nagkaroon kami ng time na mag-catch up kung ano nangyayari sa lock-in namin, so I think that was really, something. It got us closer because all the directors were there, then everyone actually, lahat ng production staff. So, I think that's one memory that happened nung lock-in namin sa Cebu. That was very special. And, yeah, I hope working with Kim Pao, it's really nice. It's really nice, and I can't wait. I know I'll be working with them again. So yeah, even with the rest of the ensemble cast, it's really good.
All right, thanks, Tao. Raf,
Yeah, well, aside from Lumindol, and aside from finally, after all these years, finally sharing a frame on TV with Sam Milby. Kasi napagkakamalan ako lagi na ikaw ba si Sam Milby? Minsan
No.
may ganun eh. So finally, nagsama kami ni Sam sa television para malaman ng tao na magkaiba kaming tao.
how do you react? How do you react pag sinasabi
Wala,
na?
I told Sam, finally bro, after all these years, we've been talking naman off screen and everything. We've been chilling out sa ASAP and then finally ngayon, we're finally throwing lines to each other. So isang teleserye.
I'm so
Kaya-
touched, bro. Thank you.
Yeah, but this is not about you, bro. It's about the next point. Aside from that.
Sorry. But thank you lang.
Yeah,
Thank
so
you lang.
super awesome experience. And yung pinaka-main memorable talaga, aside yung kasam, is yung countless times na binabatukan ako ni John Arcillo sa mga eksena.
Oh.
Hindi siya masyado pinalabas sa Prime, pero
Dito.
sa Free TV, I'm sure makikita niyo yung chemistry nung mag-ama na yan na nakakabaliw.
Okay.
Seriously as an actor kasi I love my dad. I grew up very disciplined because of him. And then seeing sort of flashbacks sa kung paano ako pinalaki ng tatay ko was very, I would say memorable, but the real word is traumatizing.
We'll watch out for that. We'll watch out for that. Sophia, ikaw naman.
Aside from, I always feel excited to go to work. Kasi ang mabait ng mga kasama ko at mga artista na kasama ko. Siguro yung pinaka-favorite ko is yung meron kaming eksena ni Kim sa Temple of Leia. Tinape yun ng 3 hours. And she has been super patient with me. Parang never pa ako naka-experience ever ng ganun down to earth. Na she really was there supporting me. Hinihiya ako sa kanya. Hinihiya ako sa kanya kasi parang wala lahat yung experience ko. Parang it humbled siya talaga. And then she's there to parang hinihiya ako sa kanya. Parang deserve ko ba itong role na to? Parang ganun. But she was there.
Alam mo, from the cast members na, Shield, ba't umiiyak ka? Hindi ka naman cast.
Akala niya siya si
okay.
Stella.
Okay, siya pala yun, oo. Hindi, nakakatuwa lang kasi parang Pao and Kim, narinig namin mismo from the cast members how you support them and, you know, sa mga eksena ninyo. Thank you, Sophia, for sharing that. Sam, ikaw naman, your favorite part of filming. Hindi nahihirit si Paolo, don't worry.
Kukunin ko na yung microphone.
Actually, the whole experience has been really fun. If you want to look at eksena mismo, I enjoyed the difficulty sa death scene ko. It was, ano gusto mong sabihin, bro? Ano? Sige, ano?
I think you did really great, bro. Yun lang.
It was a difficult scene, and it was a lot of different scenes with different characters, and but I enjoyed it at the same time, and the support of the other cast and just the ensemble of us working together. It was fun. But mas lalo kong na-appreciate yung mga kasama ko sa cast. It's not my first time working with Paolo. I super enjoyed working with him. I appreciate Kim more. And a background story nung nagsushoot kami dun sa bahay niya, we were shooting in an area that's not as well off. But yung ginawa ni Kim, she's just giving out 1,000 pesos. She's giving so much money.
Kanino?
Sa mga tao na dun sa area, she was just giving out money to help the people in the area. And I just like, parang grabe yung puso ni Kim. I just appreciated her more. I want to let people know yun ang ginawa niya. I'm sure she doesn't want to share that, but nakita ko yung ginawa niya. She was giving out money to people na nangangailangan dun sa area. And I just like, that was such a nice thing na nakita ko na ginawa ni Kim. I thought it was a really nice thing that she did. So mas lalo ko na-appreciate si Kim Chu because of nakita yung ginawa niya. And that's all. But in the whole cast, like it was a great experience with si Direk Jojo and yung mga ibang directors. It was just a great experience. And I felt so blessed to be part of this project. It was a lot of fun.
It's a great memory para kay Sam. Kim! Sahod na kami lahat. Hindi, sumasahod kami, hindi pa ikaw. Sumasahod lang kami ng gano'n.
Hindi mo na kailangan.
Care to comment lang sa shinare? I know it's very personal. I know, yeah, but Sam already shared it. Why did you have to do it?
Ano lang, hindi kasi siya sobrang ganda. Pero tsaka nakakaabala kasi kami sa lugar, which is hindi naman lahat ay nabibigyan ng bayad doon sa lugar na yun. Pero very pleasant lahat ng mga tao doon. Support talaga sila. Yung hindi mo nahihingin na tumahimik sila. Hindi mo nahihingin yung supporta nila. Pero parang it feels like home kasi mga Bisaya po na dito. So murag ka nang it feels very close. Parang kapatid ko silang lahat. Uy, pasensya na kayo. Napupuyat sila, naaabala sila in their daily lives. Yet they support us and hindi sila nagagalit at naninigaw sa amin. So, in exchange, ang itong something.
It's a good heart. Kim has a good heart talaga. No?
Tsaka inutang ko kasi sa kanya, kaya alam niya, wala akong cash. May cash ka ba dyan?
Totoo ah?
Oo, utang muna kasi kulang.
Binayaran na ako, yes.
Pero binayaran ko siya.
Inutang
Kaya alam
naman
niya,
pala.
pautang ng konti, wala akong cash masyado.
Thanks, Kimmy, for sharing that. Pao, your favorite memory filming this? I know there's a lot. Top of mind.
Well, in top of mind yung earthquake, but more than that, I think yung mga tumatatak sa akin, yung mga reaction ng mga staff and crew. Ang dami nangyari, parang nakita mo sila from being so fresh, hanggang nakikita mo yung pagod.
To ano? To fresh to?
Hanggang pagod. Tapos nakikita mo yung saya nila, minsan yung galit nila, yung inis nila sa akin. So, yun lang. Yun yung parang, parang ang kulay. Ang kulay lang ng buhay. Lalo pag nag-shoot kayo. Ang kulay ng lahat ng nangyayari sa paligid at parang isa yun sa mga treasure ko dahil yun lang, napakakulay lang talaga.
Okay, we're just getting started. We just finished the first part.